No more waiting. Create your YouTube channel today. That's right, family. Get started today. No more waiting. No more procrastinating. No more hesitating. Turn on your camera. Document your progress and enjoy the process. Fam, I'm so glad that I turned on the camera. I started my YouTube channel in August of 2023, and I'm so glad that I did. I hesitated now. I sure did. What I'm telling you to do, I wasn't doing. Before that, before August of 2023, I was hesitating, I was waiting, I was procrastinating. I was doubting myself. I thought that I did not have what it takes to be a content creator on YouTube. I was my worst enemy. And if you are experiencing those evil thoughts of doubt, I understand. For years, I put off YouTube. But it came to that point where I had to start a YouTube channel. And I'm so glad that I did. I'm thankful for YouTube for giving me the opportunity to connect with you, to connect with other people throughout the world. Family, this is something that could have not been done in the past. I'm an 80s baby. That could have been done in the 80s, in the 90s. Couldn't have been done in the 90s, in the thousands. Okay, we can say for the most part, well, depending when YouTube got started. I'm not sure. Let me know, family. This is just off the cuff. I'm just freestyling with you. But okay, partially in the thousands. We'll say that. We could turn on the camera and connect with people throughout the world on YouTube. I got started in August 2023, and recently I got monetized on YouTube. All glory to God. It took me over a year and a half to get monetized. And it was worth it. It was worth it, family. Start your YouTube channel today. Remove those thoughts of negativity. Seek the Most High for help, for strength, for confidence. You have what it takes to become a YouTube content creator. Oh, yes, you do. Yes, you do. The Creator has blessed you with skills, with talents, with resources. Share those gifts with people throughout the world. We desire, we need to hear your message. We desire, we need to learn from you. Yah has blessed you with a message, with gifts to share with people. It's a blessing. You got to get started, family. You got to get started. YouTube, it's a blessing to create content. For becoming a content creator on YouTube, You get to connect with people throughout the world. You get to build community. And you get to make money. Hey, don't you want to make some money? There is so much potential to make money on YouTube. There is so much potential to make a lot of money on YouTube. But it's not just about the money. It's about the connection with people. Get started, family. Don't overthink it. Don't even overplan it. Just get started and learn as you go. Learn as you go, family. When this video ends, create your YouTube channel. Make sure you do it, family. Make sure that when this video ends, you create your YouTube channel. And while you do that, make sure you seek the Most High for help. Create your YouTube channel now.